So you all, I came across some very, very, let's say, disturbing images of Imo State University recently. What am I saying? Today. Honestly, I'm not sure what other word to use, but let's just go with disturbing. But I'll leave you, my amazing viewers, with the exact word to use in describing what this my two eyes saw today. Because right now I am struggling with the exact words. Okay, the current state of the university, that's the Imo State University, is not looking good at all. At all. The environment, both inside and outside the campus, is completely filled with overgrown grasses. And those buildings, is it the buildings we want to even start talking about? Wow, they are old and, oh gosh, I don't even know the word to use. Seriously, every single faculty, department, buildings look so run down. It's almost scary. You know what? This place looks like the perfect breeding ground for snakes, scorpions, and God knows what else. Can you imagine? I really hope students don't get beaten by these things while trying to get an education. I mean, honestly, how are students supposed to learn in such an environment? I'm struggling to figure it all out. I don't even know if it's the creepy classrooms or the fact that the environment is ripe for other activities. Like seriously, this space can only breed courtism. And there are so many sports in this particular environment for them to do their jaga jaga business. So I came across these photos and I kid you not, the first thing that came to my mind was, is this some sort of evil forest in all these Asaba movies? Like, is this a school or an evil forest? I'm not trying to, make jest of anybody or anything. Or so, speaking of forests, there was this one comment that really cracked me up. Like, seriously, someone said, IMSU just introduced a new course, Forestry and Wildlife, and what we are seeing at the laboratory site for the students. I mean, IMSU students, hey, how far now? How true is this? Is this a joke or is this real life now? Okay, I'm genuinely curious to know if anyone studying at IMSU can tell us what's going on. Are you all actually studying in the middle of a forest or am I seeing double? As all my IMSU alumni out there, I've got a quick question for you too. Was this what IMSU used to look like during your time, when you were there? Like, is this a new development or has it always been like this? And if you're currently schooling there, what's the situation like right now? Are things getting better or is this what you guys are stuck with? In all of this, I can't help but wonder who is really to blame here? Is it the Imo State government being a state university, or the VC, or maybe the SUG? Or are the students supposed to take responsibility for their school's environmental condition as well? What do you think? Because honestly, I'm confused and I mean it. This is Imo State University, one of the so called prestigious universities in Nigeria. How did it get to this point? Okay, it's your favorite ghost host, Faith Ijiriga, and I'm dying to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from. Just hit us up with the information to the number now showing on your screen. We would really love to give you a shout out right here on Neighboring People TV. Until next time, stay safe and keep the conversation going.